kaso dun banda sa amin parang hindi siya.
Dapat din natin ipagpasalamat sa Diyos ay tayo po ay minahal ng Diyos at niligtas ng Diyos.
And so after doing the work in the church, so I go back here home and I just need to cook our dinner. Then later maybe we're gonna have our practice pa rin for the miracle.